In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by opening Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that location is off. To switch it on, hit the same tile one more time. You can also go into Settings and scroll down to access Location section. Also, sorry, misclick. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!